All right, we need to dispel some rumors around passive income. So first of all, we need to define what passive income is. Passive income would be income you receive for efforts in which you do nothing. So you're receiving income and you're doing nothing. That is passive income. So what are the rumors? Well, I see a lot of people right here on whatever platform you're watching this on who think they've created passive income because they own an investment property and the tenant pays the rent and they get to keep the extra and it's passive income. But the overwhelming majority of people who do this are not actually receiving passive income. It's what we call active income. Now, why is it active income? Because they're still doing work. A lot of them are placing the tenant. They're having to deal with tenant phone calls. They're having to deal with tenant repairs and issues on the property. They're having to deal with the accounting of the property. And they're having to deal with all things related to that property, unclogging toilets and fixing lights and et cetera, et cetera. And to be quite frank with you, many people want nothing to do with this. So what is passive income? Passive income is when you put some money into something and then it pays you and you do nothing more than that. That is passive income. And that's actually what we specialize in here at Smart Wealth Equity. So if you want to find out more about that, click the link and follow us.